In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly sign a document using the Zoho Books platform via Chrome. Let's walk through the simple process step by step, ensuring that no detail is left out, so you can confidently apply your digital signature to any document you might need, be it an invoice, estimate, or something else entirely. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure you open up Google Chrome on your computer. This will be our browser of choice today, as it's highly compatible with Zoho Books. Once in Chrome, navigate to the Zoho Books website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that your username and password are entered correctly to avoid any issues right from the start. If you have trouble logging in, consider checking your internet connection or verifying if your credentials are correct. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be directed to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your finances and documents. From here, you'll want to locate the specific document you intend to sign. This could be an invoice, an estimate, or any other document you might be working with. If you have numerous documents stored, you can use the search function to find this particular file quickly by entering relevant keywords or filters. Once you have accessed the document, it's time to proceed with the signing process. Look for the option that allows you to add a digital signature. This feature is neatly integrated into Zoho Books to facilitate seamless digital transactions. Typically, you'll find the option either on the document itself or within a menu on the page. Clicking on this option will prompt the application to engage the Zoho Sign integration. Zoho Sign is a reliable digital signature tool, and its integration with Zoho Books makes digital authentication straightforward. When you select the integration, you may need to grant permission if it's your first time using this feature. Follow the prompts to connect Zoho Sign with your Zoho Books account. It should only take a moment, and once set up, you can select your stored digital signature. If you haven't yet created one, Zoho Sign will guide you through the steps to generate a new digital signature. After applying your signature to the document, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to save the document. This step is crucial to ensure that your changes are not lost, maintaining the integrity of the signed document. Finally, the last part of our process is sending the signed document to your client. Zoho Books makes this quite easy with intuitive features to either email the document directly from the platform or download it for other distribution means. Choose the method that aligns best with your workflow, and once sent, your task is complete. Using these steps, signing a document digitally in Zoho Books becomes a quick and efficient task.